Hello everyone! Today let's check out a marble cake recipe without an oven. First add in half cup of curd or buttermilk and then 1/4 cup of oil and then whisk it all together well so that they mix well. Buttermilk brings in a tang to the cakes and it's also fat free. It's very little fat. It gives soft texture to the cakes and breads. Now sieve 1 cup flour, half cup powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda and then sieve it properly. Now sift in the powders well so that they are mixed thoroughly. We add in the liquid mixture to the powders and sift in properly like the folding process which we use for the baking purposes usually. Now keep mixing 1/4 cup of milk gradually and sift the flours again thoroughly to get you a creamy mixture. Now your cake mixture is ready. Separate the cake mixture into two portions. In the other portion, sieve in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and mix it thoroughly. Now take a baking tin of your shape or size, grease it thoroughly with butter or oil. Then this is the way you add in the cake batter. You now add in a tablespoon of white batter and then a chocolate batter, again a white batter, again a chocolate batter. You repeat the process till your batters are finished. Take a fork and just rub it over the cake batter to form a nice design. Now take an heavy bottomed pan, sprinkle some salt on the bottom part and then put a wire mesh or even a small plate, an aluminium plate, and preheat it for another 10 minutes. Once it's preheated, put in the cake tin which is filled already and then let it bake for 30 minutes on low to medium flame. There you go, our cake is ready after 30 minutes. Let it cool and then cut it into pieces and serve it. I want you to also try it. It's a very easy recipe. Also give me your comments in the comment box. I would love to hear from you all.